What's up, folks? Lon Jenkins here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just diving into why you should dethatch your lawn in the early spring. I'm making use of my 30-inch mower during this cleanup, and I'll break it down and tell you why. So first of all, after winter, you're gonna have a lot of dead grass. The snow plow comes. It puts all of that snow and piles it heavy on the edge, and then it suffocates the grass. In different areas too, and we had a pretty bad winter this year. So it can block the water, it blocks the air, nutrients can't, reach the roots. So this is the perfect time to just go ahead, dethatch, and help naturally wake up your grass. Here's why the 30-inch mower is good, this Toro. It has a big capacity bag on it. That bag means that I can collect a lot of thatch without emptying, as you can see out here. And then it has a fast motor. That powerful motor, it runs at a pretty impressive speed. I guess it depends on how fast you walk, and I went one direction and then I came back the next day with my little Honda and went the other direction. What you want to do is just lower the mower height. Hopefully you cut your grass low like last December, November when you did your last cut. And once you adjust it, it'll pick up that fine debris, that little bitty stuff that covers the ground, making sure that your lawn is ready to get all of the nutrients it should get. Just to sum this all up, remove all of that dead material from your lawn. That little brown stuff that you see me going over right there. Like last November, late November, I sprayed some nutsedge killer, I believe around the 1st of November, and then late November, December, I sprayed some other weed and feed type stuff on there. And what it did is it literally took out a lot of bad grass as it sat on there over winter. And some of the grass is good grass. It's just that it's dead. It was just so much snow, it suffocated it out, which you have every year. It'll bounce back, really nice. Dethatch in the early spring, clean up with the largest mower you have, the largest bag you have, lower the mower height, and you'll be fine. All right, this has been the Lon Jenkins. Thanks for watching.